Good morning, guys. So today I wanted to show you guys my Fa5. I haven't done a proper introduction of this car yet, so I wanted to let you guys know like how how this baby looks so far. It's so early in the morning right now. Yeah, it's pretty early. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. So I'm pretty pooped. So ignore my voice right now. I'm just so pooped. So yeah, just got the clutch done. I've been driving for, let's see, I got it done on Thursday, and I've been driving it since. Today is Saturday. No, today's Sunday morning. So today is, yeah. So now I've already got 250 miles on it. And I haven't hit VTEC yet, so can't wait to see if that fixed the issue. Out of all that, I can say that the issue is fixed. I'm pretty excited that the clutch is gonna be broken in soon, so yeah, it's gonna be a ripper. Gonna have to do an oil change soon. I'm gonna have to do it tonight. My friend owes me, he said he wanted to do it for me for free, because I'm gonna do his senior pictures, so yeah, so that's our deal. So yeah, this is it. I'll show you guys the back. And obviously, hella racer. I was running a muffler delete for a couple months, but then yeah, had to get that straight pipe done. Pretty clean right now, but at the same time it's pretty dirty because it did rain. Yeah, and I'll show you guys later on more videos, or more videos of the exterior, and I'll tell you guys what I've done and how the car came, and I'll show you guys an better introduction. But right now I just wanted to show you how beautiful today is, and let you guys know about how the clutch is doing. And yeah, I'll do a video on like a review on how how everything's going basically. But for now, yeah, here we go. I'll tell you guys later on like how I got this car and how it came to look like this. So my cousin's gonna help me do an oil change in a couple hours. So I gotta go pick up the stuff. I'll keep you guys updated.
Doesn't mean much though when you're out with the clients. If you've all got something that we're trapped inside that we try to suffocate, Voy a comprar un nuevo carro. Voy a comprar un carro. ¿Ah?
So my cousin apparently doesn't have the jack stand, so we have to wait for our friend to get out of church to then come over and bring it over. So we're just right now waiting.
Fucking camera skills. No
Should we put thread locker on here?
Yeah, actually we should.
Okay.
Might fit, honestly. Dude, what the fuck you doing?
Why you look so suspicious, man?
Here, I got it, dude. No, that's not it.
Junk. Your most sort of guy.
You told him to bring that thing.
I know.
There's the good stuff.
Motors.
You spin the converter.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck! Where's the jack stand? Man. Later. Yeah, you charged me $10 for it. Jeez.
Dude, that thing's $100. I got it for free.
Yeah, I know. What's your homeowner? Just that it's not yours.
The taco's alright. Alright, later, boys. Is it for a first gear ride by? It is for a first gear flyby. I thought he was gonna floor it. Oh, there it is. I think it's so slow, dude.
Now you gotta take off the fucking wheel.
Why?
To get to the oil filter.
Yeah.
How many quarts do you think is in there?
2.
2 quarts?
Yeah, that's like 3, 4.
Looks like, yeah, it looks like 3.5.
Doesn't like you.
So he didn't tie in what? What did he not tie in?
Your transmission mount. It's fucking, there's like 19 threads showing. Yeah, come on, get under there and look, dude.
I don't want to get under there.
It's fucked.
So what does that mean?
You're fucked.
I'm fucked?
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. It's okay. It means your transmission's gonna just fall off.
It is?
Yeah. Don't beat on it.
What?
Yeah.
And then what do I do? Do I have to buy fucking bolts or what?
You have to buy a whole new trans.
What?
What do you think? Mose actually believes it though, that's the thing.
I believe it.
Oil filter at.
It's right underneath that little plastic thing.
This?
This.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There's 2 clips, or is it 3? Yeah, it's in the street. I'm not sure if there's one underneath that.
here.
There you go.
Okay. Where the hell is it, dude?
Should be somewhere down there.
No, it isn't.
Yeah,
dude.
it is.
Where the frick is
It
it?
should be somewhere.
This is junk.
I need to get underneath. and
I don't
see.
freaking want. That's why I don't work on Japanese.
Yeah. It's right there. Right over. It's right over the axle.
You want me to get it out?
Yeah, if you want.
Because Reed's a fucking retard. No, I can do it.
Oh, why don't we just grab the fucking tool? Make it easier.
But it's hand tying. Who hand tied last time? Was it me? I think it was me.
Oh no, I got it off last time.
Yeah, you got it off and then I hand tied it. So the oil filter's on.
Pray for me I don't fuck this thing up. When they were friends.
Yeah.
When they were friends. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So the oil change is done. Looking good. They're still working on their thing. They're putting on headlights. New headlights. They're Jeep headlights, but they're gonna put them on a Miata, which is kind of weird, but Alright, so let's turn it on. So today's just been a day of going back and forth because they're having problems with their car over there. He's putting new headlights for his friend, and that's what they've been doing all day. And I think they keep stripping bolts and rounding screws and whatever. So yeah, let's turn this on. And then I reset the oil life. Set it to 100. And I reset my miles. And then here's how much I have on the clutch, 260. So yeah, today's just been a day. It's been an okay day. If you guys like and subscribe, keep you guys updated on what's to come. I'm still gonna do a video on like a review on the clutch, but I'm gonna wait till I break it in to at least 1,000 miles, 500 on city, and then another 500 on like the highway. So right now I'm just gonna worry about that for now. And well, it's good that we did the oil change because it's been over 3,000 miles already. So that's good that we got it done today. And so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and see you guys later. Peace.